All right, you might remember from my other video that I had to cut this off with a hacksaw because it was all corroded and I couldn't get those screws loose, which kind of bummed me out. I tried every screwdriver that I had, but I don't know if they're, you know, corroded or what. So anyway, I bought this as my solution and I think it's going to work. So we're going to unbox that right now and check it out. All right, so let's take a look at this and see what we think. First of all, we got to get it out of the box. And of course, you got to find something to, there we go. Okay, that looks so far so good. This was like 50 bucks. It's kind of a ripoff, but got some other stuff in there. It does come with some little thingamabobs, which is nice. This is a better one. Look at that. Kind of like that. And then comes with a booklet. It's got an extra back door that's open. And then this housing itself is here. Get it out of here. There it is. Bam, done. So check her out. That's the housing. Let's see how it works. So I think we have to press it this way, and then this side should. So I think I press it this way, and then this comes off. Or maybe not. Let's see. Here. And then I think you gotta pull it from the front. All right, so you gotta press it like this, and pull it from here. It's not easy to get off. There it goes. So there's the mechanism. It's like a spring, and it's tight on there. I mean, really tight. Door opens like that. It's got the silicone thing around there, and it's got some extra like doohickeys there. So you take your camera, front facing, and let's see how she works. I think this is going to work out great. That's it. Bam, done. So again, to get it off, you got to push this in right here hard, and then once it's in, you pull on this lip right there to get it off. There we go. That's not easy. To put it on, simple. Camera goes in this way, lens down, bam, shutter. Bring this around the hook on this little lip here, just like that. And then I think I just need to push it down like this, and it snaps right into place. So that's the release. I don't think you have to push the release to put it on. So that's that. And now we can hook this on like that, and then we've got ready to go with our GoPro. So that's it right there. Let me show you how this works. So this one here goes in like that, right? And then you just kind of put this in the hole here. See the hole? And then just screw it down. Bam, there we go. Now this is kind of cool because it does have this special piece right here that kind of keeps it locked in place. See what I mean? Because these flex like this when you push it in, and once you get it pushed in, then you push this down, and that keeps it from coming out. So that's an extra safety feature, which I don't have on those cheap cameras that I get from China. All right, that's it. So there we go. There's the GoPro waterproof case. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to do stuff like this. Peace out.